Okay, hello everyone. So I've got some special announcements to make. So basically, I've got loads of new videos coming out right now. I've got a project I'm working on, which I really just want to tell you a little bit about, kind of like a preview. And I'm thinking about organizing some events that you can take part in the future. So the first thing is that today I'm going to release some videos. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to release some of these right now as members only videos. So that means that you have to become a member of this YouTube channel in order to watch these. Now, the reason that I'm doing this is basically because I want to raise some money for this YouTube channel because I've decided that I have a lot to say. And if I can get more money through this YouTube channel, I can make higher quality videos and it's going to benefit everybody. I hope people won't begrudge me for making some of these members only because I have done hundreds of hours of content on my YouTube channel for free and I shall continue to do so. But, that's a lot of work. And, yes, a lot of it has been a labor of love, but the editing, maybe not so much. And the thing is that if you become a member of my YouTube channel, then you're going to get access to all of these things. And some of these videos are really, really amazing. They represent a lot of work. And I believe that you're going to benefit from this. So I am still going to continue to make high quality videos on the main YouTube channel, but I'm also going to keep releasing some members only videos. So I encourage you to become a member of my channel if you can do so. And the fact is that the more I gain support, the more I can do. And so I am, of course, going to continue to make high quality, publicly available YouTube videos as well. In fact, that's kind of what I'm showing here. I've begun working on a really epic project, which might end up yielding the best YouTube video I've ever done, but it's going to take me a month or two. It's a very big project. And then the final thing I wanted to say is that I'm also planning this summer to possibly hold a course in category theory. Now, this is either going to be an online course that people can attend live, or maybe if I get sufficient interest, I might actually run a physical event. And so, again, if you're interested in this kind of thing, please send me an email because that's going to help me to decide what exactly I'm going to do. So with all that being said, thank you for your attention and thank you for watching my channel.